In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to import a campaign share code in Kartra 7.0. You may have joined a program or a course, or you have a coach that shared campaigns with you and they've given you a share code. You may have joined the Kartra Inner Circle where I share campaign share codes with you, or you may have bought a template and now you're instructed to take the code and import it into your Kartra account, which definitely looks a little different in Kartra 7.0. So let's get into our Kartra account and I'll show you how to do it. All right, so you want to be in your Kartra account and go to campaigns, and then you're going to go to marketplace and then available campaigns. Then you're going to click the button in the top right, import. Here is where we're going to put in our campaign share code and then click start. Now it's going to show us that it's generating those assets, it's setting them up in your account. Basically, campaigns are like moving boxes for Kartra assets. And when you get a campaign share code from someone, you import the share code into your account, it unpacks that campaign moving box and puts those assets into your account. You can see this campaign I'm using as a demo shared one page. It's a privacy policy template. So now if I were to go into my pages, I will see that brand new page in my account. Whatever is in your campaign will now be in the correct spot in your account.